Greetings everyone, my name is Gospa Alex Gabriel and I'm actually the CEO for Nova Paint Company Limited. It's actually been a very rough ride, but we thank God that we came to this point. You can't wait for what's coming.
I am John Okwachimobi, General Secretary of Nova Paint Limited.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Lieutenant Presto James and I'm the Technical Supervisor for Nova Paint Company Limited. Thank you.
Okay, greetings everyone, my name is Zihe Kichimezerichi. I'm the Media and Publicity Director of Nova Paint Company Limited.
Hello everyone, my name is Ikechukwu Olamachi. I'm the Chief Accountant for Nova Paint Company Limited.
Okay, good afternoon everybody. I'm Miro Hamechi, the Production Director for Nova Paint Company Limited.
My name is Ikano Kene Valentine. I'm one of the Board of Directors of Nova Paint Limited. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Carlo David Kelechi. I'm one of the management members of Nova Paint Company Project.
Greetings everyone. My name is Iben Lukene Chibona. I'm the Marketing Director of Nova Paint Limited.
Talking about Nova Paint, actually, the quest for this very project came up when there was a demand to actually establish a business that is environmental friendly, something that is very compatible with the green environment. And I want to thank God for the kind of team He gave me. It was actually a rough ride looking for a business that can travel in this kind of economic situation. But along the line, that was when Nova Paint came to the picture. So talking about Nova Paint now, Nova Paint is actually a paint brand that comes with a level of exceptionality. When I say exceptionality, I mean exceptionality at its peak. We actually know normal paint productions to be very harmful to the green environment because they contain VOCs, that are volatile organic compounds, ammonia and the rest of them that actually might not be good for the green environment. But Nova Paint came up with this concept of producing life-censored chemicals, might not even say chemicals, that are organic fibers that can actually be very conducive for the group, for the green environment. So along the line now, in the production process, we'll be reviewing some of these raw materials that are actually going to play a very major role in this paint production. And at the end of it all, we'll be looking at our market strategy. We'll be reviewing a lot that will make Nova Paint come up to be an exceptional paint brand at the end of it all. Trust me when I tell you, Nova Paint has come to stay and you can't wait for what's coming. Our mission is to produce an eco-friendly, affordable, high-quality and durable paint brand. Our vision is to become the leading indigenous paint brand and a center for entrepreneurship and eco-friendly paint production.
So, as we all know, there are other brands that have been thriving in the market before Nova Paint. So, please, briefly discuss your advantage over these brands.
Nova Paint actually is a brand new product that is entering into the market. Of course, we know that there are existing products that we are going to compete with. Unfortunately, most of those products are not eco-friendly. Ours is eco-friendly. We are maintaining a standard quality control in our production units. We have supervisors, people that make sure that whatever we are bringing into the market is going to be sustainable. At the long run, our customers, our consumers, they will attest that this new product is acceptable generally. It can fit into hospitals, schools, even small secondary primary schools where we have little children that, sometimes they can use the paint to maybe cause harm for themselves. But this one that is eco-friendly, definitely it's not going to harm any individual. You use it inside your room, you can paint your room, you can paint your office, and you will not perceive any odor that can be irritating to your person or to your health.
Don't video yet. Pause.
You see this thing, they change from under.
Okay, still on the competitive landscape, we understood that our target market is mainly construction firms and construction firms that are into road construction, building construction, and so on and so forth. But what we intend to do is that most of the paint production companies, they have maybe they only their company where they operate from. We, on our marketing side, our strategy, what we want to do is the individual that make up the marketing unit will be going to construction firms to meet the contractors, the engineers directly, and let them know about our new product that is coming out. And we are going to subsidize the rate for them. We can equally distribute to their sites where they are going to use it, just to make it convenient for them. Then that will give us an edge over those other companies that have been staying along the road or maybe staying in offices waiting for people to come and meet them. We take our business, we take our markets, our product to the people that need it directly at their domicile, where they are residing, where it is needed. And then that will give us an edge over the other companies. So in summary, Nova Paint is a product that is going to explode. Just wait for us, you'll see us.
So please, can you tell us, what are the environmental impacts of Nova Paint?
Thank you. The environmental impacts of Nova Paint are, Nova Paint utilizes low volatile compounds such as water-based solvent instead of making use of petroleum-based solvent. We also make use of titanium oxide for safe pigmentation, and we also use eco-friendly binders such as linseed oil we also make use of safe waste management practices by utilizing and recycling our waste, leftover waste. So those are the economic impact of Nova Paint on the environment. Also, I would want to talk more on the importance of Nova Paint on highway and highway engineering. So Nova Paint can be used in different diverse areas in highway engineering, such as for marking of the roads, for road division, and zebra crossing. Thank
Alright, it's been quite an adventure, it's been quite a journey, bringing up Nova Paint to stand as an independent and an existing paint brand. And I would like to say a very, very big thanks to my team. A very, very wonderful team. It's been quite a support, starting from the business reports, starting from the contributions and the rest of it. And also, I would like to bring to our notice that Nova Paint has come to stay. If you actually want to test the quality of our products, why don't you go for one? That will be all for Nova Paint. I think the rest will be your testimony when you go for our products. Our flyer for products, procurement, and the rest of it will drop. I can't fail to acknowledge and show profound gratitude to our amiable consultant, Engineer Dr. Emmanuel Arinze. Everything that happened here wouldn't have happened without him. We say very big thanks to you, sir. And also, you are free to tell your friends about Nova Paint. Actually, we won't actually fail you. Nova Paint is a quality brand that's come to stay. Thank you.